This is the DeWalt 16-inch Tradesman tool bag, part number DG5543. You can see it has 13 inside pockets, one of which has a zipper. The bag has 20 exterior pockets, including one with a Velcro flap. Bag is very heavy duty. Has a nice strap with a pad on it that's adjustable. There's also swivels on the strap. The top of the bag has a nice wire to hold it open as you're loading your tools. The bottom of the bag has rubber pads to keep it away from the elements. This is another great product from DeWalt and CLC.
After 30 years as the industry leader, CLC continues our legacy of hard-working products. Let's take a closer look at our 1132 heavy-duty ballistic poly backpack. Carry your tools hands-free. 5 compartments hold everything you need. The 1132 accommodates up to a 14-piece wrench set, plus drills, extension cords, pliers, screwdrivers, and much more. Convenient, dual, padded handles. It's easy to grab the bag as you move around the work site. The shoulder straps are also padded and adjustable. Constructed of heavy-duty ballistic poly, this bag will last, even in the most demanding work environments. The best products, the best value. CLC. Think outside the toolbox.
This is the ReadyWare's tool bag. It is made from heavy-duty 20-ounce wax canvas material. This is a very durable canvas that is water resistant and it will break in well over time. This tool bag is available in 3 sizes, a 12-inch, a 15-inch, and an 18-inch bag. The different sizes have varying amounts of external and internal pockets, but they all have an interior wireframe, extra base support, and 4 grip feet. All the stress points on the pockets have been reinforced with durable bar tack stitches. They have sturdy metal zippers and hardware and strong cotton poly webbing straps. They all include padded handles and shoulder strap.